Hey guys, we're just leaving Townsville now, heading up to Forest Beach. We're going to set up the van there for the day and the night, and then we're going to head back through Ingham and over to the Wallerman Falls.
Yeah, and they're apparently the tallest waterfall in Australia.
Yep, they're like 300 metres tall from top to bottom.
So you can look at them from the top, and then you can also walk down to the bottom, and you're allowed to swim down there. So we might walk down, we'll see how we go. Apparently it's quite steep, and I think it takes an hour to get down and about an hour and a half to get back up. So we'll just see how we go. But yeah, and then we're basically just gonna chill at the beach for the rest of the day.
And then we head up to Mission Beach tomorrow.
Yeah. We are at Girringa National Park. We've just looked at the Wallerman Falls from the top, and now we're about to walk down to the bottom. And this is our view.
We get almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
That's where we came from, all the way up there.
We're dying, guys. A difficult walk, they won't joke.
Keeping tight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Guys, we just made it to Tully, which is in between Townsville and Cairns, and we're just at the Golden Gumboot they got here, and it's the wettest place in Australia. The highest recorded annual rainfall was 7.93 metres in 1950, and then the average annual rainfall is 4.17 metres. Josephine Falls. It's only about a 15-minute drive from the campsite. And yeah, it's got some nice waterfalls and swimming rock pools and that type of thing, so we're going to check that out. And then we're going to come back up near Campton and go to Babinda Boulders, and that's
So lucky. Why is your shirt, the towel and the bag wet?
I might have fallen in.
He slipped, you guys, and got everything wet. We're getting some banana.
We get almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural.
Just went to Josephine Falls and that was really good.
We just went and looked. They have like a creek thing you can swim at and like picnic sort of area.
Yeah,
which is nice.
it's actually quite big and got heaps of different little seating areas and grassy areas and then a few different swimming
Yeah,
spots.
this one's better for swimming, but the Josephine's is definitely cooler.
Yeah, and now we're just gonna go check out the boulders and Devil's Pool.
Light. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed that one. We sure had fun looking at those waterfalls.
Our next episode will be Cairns and what we did around Cairns. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with what we're doing.
Yep, and we explored a few more waterfalls in Cairns and did some stuff in the city, so stay tuned.
Everybody